Catering to different needs of the telecom sector, this is SAVITRI Group. Founded in the year 1999, SAVITRI Group covers 4 organizations under its umbrella: SAVITRI Telecom Services, SAVITRI Telecom Private Limited, SAVITRI Holding Private Limited, and SAVITRI Techno Industries Limited. Started with SAVITRI Telecom Services with 5 employees, this group has crossed several milestones.
SAVITRI is not just an organization or a company. It's much beyond that. It's a dream of many people group who are working for SAVITRI.
To ensure a smooth flow of communication, the group has different business verticals. T&M Technology Solutions, providing complete T&M and technology solutions for communication, IT, electrical, telecom network. Manufacturing, manufacturer of best quality OFC, copper, RF, networking products. Service, repair and calibration. Single window solution for calibration, repair and services of test and measurement instruments and machines. Projects EPC, providing turnkey project solutions for technology, communication, IT, electrical, civil, construction. Operation and maintenance, providing 24/7 maintenance services for telecom and OFC networks. Infrastructure, building OFC networks, FTTH network, IBS, CCTV, and surveillance and tower infrastructure. Leasing of telecom equipments, providing leasing services of various test and measurement instruments and other telecom solutions. With employee-friendly work culture and great strategies, this company has proved itself on all the parameters of a successful organization.